here's how to polish your nails with gel polish without flooding your cuticles. So you just get your brush and you put your polish on and you just gently bounce it and don't let it touch the cuticles. Don't panic if you do touch them, because I can see I've got it there, so I'll show you how to clean it. I've got a bit of fluff in there. Go again. And with this one you only need really thin coats to make sure it cures. Right, so there's our polish on. You can see I've made a bit of a mess, but then I have a little bottle over here of acetone, and this is my cleanup brush. So then you just get your cleanup brush, just go around your cuticles. Stuck up under there from the plastic hand. Practice hand, sorry. It's a bit of a dog's breakfast, but there's no flooding in the cuticles, which is good. I'll hold it like that, you can see. And you can always get a fine brush and just tuck it right in there if you wanted to. I'm not going to fart around and do that now, but I'll cure it and then I'll come back. Okay, so that first coat's cured, so I'll go for the second coat now. Purposely chosen black so you can see if I make a big mess. There we go, no flooding. All right, I'll cure that. So I'm going to go for a third coat just to have it completely opaque so you can't see through it. There we go, I'll cure that. Okay, so I've cured the 3 coats and I'm going to put my beautiful new velvet matte top coat on that I'm falling in love with. I never noticed it kind of sparkles. And just take care to not get too close to the cuticles. Okay, we'll cure that. That's cured now, so I'm going to rub over with a lint-free wipe with some isopropyl alcohol. So I'll pull the nail down so you can see. So I did miss a little bit there. It's not too bad. It's a lot easier to do it on yourself than a practice hand, or for me it is anyway. So to do this I've used Madame Glam, I've used Perfect Black, and I've used the Velvet Matte, which is pretty new from what I know. So I hope that helps anyone that's struggling, and good luck with your next mani.